How to turn on screen rotation on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. On this screen, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. The iPhone Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You can customize the controls within Control Center to include your most used features. Over here, tap the portrait orientation lock icon to toggle it off. When the icon is highlighted, the screen is locked in portrait orientation. When it is not highlighted, the screen is not locked and free to rotate. Now, go back and open any app from the home screen. And then, simply turn your iPhone sideways to view the app in landscape mode. Following these steps, you can easily turn on screen rotation on iPhone.